Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. I took a month and a half off, and now I'm back. I missed doing this. I missed you guys. I missed it all so much. So I'm back and I'm happy about it. I hope you guys are too. My monthly Young Living Essential Rewards order just came in yesterday. And I did not have time to open it yesterday, and I thought I'm opening it today, and I'm really excited about it. The last few months I have forgotten to change my order, so it just kept being the same thing. I did that like 2 or 3 times. The holidays were nuts for me, nutso. I don't know if the holidays were nuts for you guys, but they were nuts for me. So I just kept forgetting. So I got duplicates of the same thing, which was awesome because it was stuff that I love and stuff that I totally could use more of. But I don't want that every month. I want new things and I need new things and all of that. So that's where this one comes in, and I'm really excited about what's in this because there's one specific thing that I have not tried yet, and I am so excited to try it. Oh my goodness, so excited. So I'm just gonna open this up. How was your guys' New Year's? Tell me in the comments below how it was. How is 2019 treating you so far? Let me know. Oh no. It says, we apologize for the inconvenience. Your order contains an item that is on back order. Your back ordered item will ship as soon as it's back in stock. Okay, so something in here is on back order. I'm nervous to find out what it is. And I'm hoping that it's not anything that my friend ordered. Fingers crossed. It's probably my eye cream, the one that I really, really want. And I'm actually kind of bummed about it, but I feel better knowing that it's mine and not my friend's, because I want to get that stuff sent to her ASAP. The first thing in my order is KidSense toothpaste. Cadence is low. She likes it so much. It's citrus flavor. It cleans teeth and freshens breath. Thieves household cleaner. I ordered 1 bottle for my friend and 1 bottle for me. I always could use more. I have about half a bottle left, and I also sometimes use it in my laundry if it's like a really dirty load. For example, just this past weekend we went up to Flagstaff and we had so much fun, but mittens got really dirty and things got muddy and dirty. So when I'm washing a load like that, where it's like it just needs a bit of extra like oomph to like get all the dirt and stuff off of it, I just squirt a little bit of Thieves cleaner in the area where the fabric softener should go. It does the trick. I also use it for a bazillion other things. Thieves household cleaner literally is an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it as a glass cleaner, as a window cleaner, as a floor cleaner, as a toilet cleaner. I use it for all those things. I literally only use Thieves cleaner. And this bottle is a concentrate, so you only use a capful of this. You put it in a big water bottle and you fill the rest with water. So it's just literally a capful or 2, depending on the size of the water bottle. It lasts a long time. This typically lasts me about a year, unless I'm like doing a deep clean or like a grout clean or something where I'm using a lot more of it. And then I like to have one sitting in my laundry room for my laundry as well. Thieves hand soap, foaming hand soap. This is a repurchase as well. So I really like this soap. I like my homemade soap as well. If you have watched videos in the past of mine talk about these, when I unbox these oils, I have ordered Thieves foaming hand soap before. This is my 3rd bottle that I've purchased. I also home make Thieves foaming hand soap, and I like it as well. But I do like the look of the bottle. I like that it just looks nicer to me. It just looks more complete. It's like you know what it is. I like the smell a bit better. It's more cinnamony. And clovey, kind of like, it really has that like really heavy cinnamon clove smell, which you would think is only really good for Christmas time, and it's just not. It's like it's good all year round. So it comes with a little pump as well, a little hand pump. So boom, there it is. I got a couple free products because in Essential Rewards orders, if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a free product, and normally it's a free oil. And then if you purchase more, there's like different tiers. So whatever level you hit, you know, you get more free products. So then if you go to the second tier, then you get the free product that you hit in the first tier, plus 1 or 2 more free products. And then if you go higher and higher, then you just get all of these free products, and it's just awesome. Okay, so speaking of free products, Citrus Fresh is one of them. I have a Vitality one as well. It's just the same thing, but in a white label bottle. It's a 5 milliliter. So now I have it again, which I'm really excited about because I really like to use it in my water. It's really, really yummy. Maybe I'll scoot these over. Citrus Fresh is awesome. I really like it. It smells amazing. It's awesome to diffuse, especially in the spring and summer months, spring specifically, because it's like lemon and it's like that fruity, like you can mix grapefruit with it, and it's just like really, really fruity, fresh, clean, crisp smell. Okay, so Thieves essential oil. This one is for my friend. She loves Thieves just as much as everybody else that knows about Thieves. If you don't know about Thieves, you need to. Thieves is really good for immune support, and it helps with a lot of things. A lot. Okay, Kid Scent Sleepy Eyes. This is something that I purchase every month. This is for Cadence. This is for when she's sleeping. Cadence is my daughter. She's 6 years old, and I diffuse it almost every night for her. Not every single night. Sometimes I take a little break, because sometimes if you use the same oil consistently for too long, your body starts to be like, okay, I'm used to this now. So you want to kind of, you know, change it up a little bit. So sometimes I'll do lavender in her room. It's the Kid Sense line. It's the same as this. It's the same line. There's a kid line, and then there's a baby line called Seedlings. So there's a lot of really cool things for like everybody. Kid Sense already comes pre-diluted, so it's ready to just roll onto your child's body or put in a diffuser, and it's not too overpowering, too much for them, especially when you're first introducing them to these oils, because just like us as adults, it takes a little bit for your body to like figure out if it likes it or not, or if it's gonna react to it on your skin or not. Like every person is different, every oil is different, everybody is different. And the same goes with kids. So we need to treat it just the same way. So typically when you're first introducing these oils to on your body, a new oil, you would use a carrier oil as well. You just always want to check. So same goes with kids. So this is the Kid Sense line. All the oils are pre-diluted, and I love that because then it's just like easy. As a parent, the last thing you want to do is take more time to pre-dilute something if you don't have to. It's genius. Okay, so Purification is another one that I got for my friend. Purification is awesome for making things smell good. If things smell yucky in the house, diffuse Purification. If your trash smells nasty, put a drop or 2 of it on a cotton ball, throw it in the trash can. One thing that I use it for a lot is when Cameron's gonna vacuum, because I do not do the vacuuming in the house. I will do it if I have to, but like it's just not something that I enjoy doing, and he does not mind it. So it works out well. So what I do to contribute to the vacuuming experience is I take a cup or 2 of baking soda, and I do 5 to 10 drops of Purification, and I kind of stir it all up, whisk it all together, and then I sprinkle it all along the carpet, and I let it sit for 10 minutes, up to 30 minutes. You can leave it in as long as you want. And then Cameron goes and vacuums it all, and it smells so good. It's just like, smells like Purification all throughout the house. It's such a quick, easy way of making the house smell amazing. Okay, Diagize, this is the Vitality bottle. It's the white label, which means it is FDA approved for you to ingest it. It's awesome. You can rub it on your tummy if you're not feeling very good. If things are stopped up, you can help it. If things are moving too quickly, you can kind of help slow it down. There's lots of really cool ways that you can add this into your diet and into your daily like regimen, and it kind of just helps digest the whole digestive situation that's happening. Fennel. Fennel is one that I added. I needed to add an oil for $9 more so that I could hit the next tier to get more free products. So I added Fennel, and I'm really excited because I don't have Fennel yet, and I love adding new oils to my collection, and I love adding Vitality oils to my collection. All of those up on that white shelf right there are all my Vitality oils, and I love having them on hand. The Vitality oils a lot I cook with. Occasionally I haven't gone too crazy into the venturing out into the food, but I have like basil and oregano, and I just really need to start like really cooking with this stuff. So Fennel, I'm really excited to have that in my collection. Okay, so everything that my friend ordered came. Thank the Lord God Almighty. So I'm gonna be sending it to her right away. So this is called Life 9, and it's a probiotic supplement. And I have heard amazing things about Life 9. It comes in a really nice amber glass, just like all of these bottles do. It's the same exact glass, which is really cool. Some of the vitamins come in plastic, or at least they used to. Maybe that's a change, something new that I don't know about yet with their packaging, or it's just Life 9, I don't know. But anyways, I like that it comes in a little glass amber bottle. That's cool. It says it has 17 billion active cultures. There's 30 capsules in here. Life 9 is a proprietary combination of 9 beneficial bacteria strains that promote natural digestive balance and support a healthy immune system. Okay, so this is, 1 month's worth of a probiotic supplement, which is awesome. And I'm really excited to try it. I don't know when I'm gonna try it, but I'll probably do some updates as I start. So I will keep you posted. Also follow me on Instagram because I'm really active on Instagram. Follow me there and I will update you. I'll probably post more there than I will on YouTube. So that's it. So I got the Citrus Fresh. You probably can't see these, you guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know if you can even see these. Citrus Fresh. Where's Digest and Life 9. I got all of these for free just because I placed this order. The one thing that I didn't get that's on back order is this wolfberry eye cream, and I cannot wait for it. I've heard amazing things about it, and I'm really into face stuff right now, and face masks, any kind of face mask I'm so into right now. It's like my jam. All I just want is more face masks. I have a problem. So anyways, so I got this wolfberry eye cream, and you use it, I think at night. I actually don't 100% know, but I'm pretty sure it's at night. And anyways, I've heard really, really good things about it, so I'm really excited to try it. So I'll let you guys know when that order comes in. I'm also going to be placing another order soon. I have a lot of Essential Rewards points that I've been racking up. So every time that you make an Essential Rewards order, and that happens monthly, you earn back points for however much you spend. So after my monthly Essential Rewards order happens, it takes a day or two, and then it processes how much you spent, and then it gives you a certain amount of points back because of, depending on how much you've spent. So you get money back, but it's like product money back. It's Young Living points that you can use towards oils and other products, and you can order that at any time throughout the month. So I have been saving it. It's like getting free oils for like shopping. So anyways, I'm rambling a lot, and I could talk a lot about these oils, and I do every video. So every video of mine for Young Living stuff is like almost 20 minutes long sometimes, and I'm like, oh my gosh. But they're my most viewed videos as well. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So I'll keep you guys posted on Life 9. I'm excited to try them. And I will also keep you guys posted when I get my wolfberry eye cream in the mail, probably on my Instagram. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys are interested in knowing more about Young Living and who they are as a company and how natural these oils are, or if you want to get a starter kit, you can get one through me. Leave me a comment below, message me. I love these oils. I love them. I swear by them. They're the best of the best. Make sure to come back every week. I post a new video every Friday. I'm back. I went MIA for a little over a month. I needed a little break. The holidays were insane, but I'm back and I'm excited about it. So every Friday, check back, click that notification bell. It will notify you every time I make a new video. Follow me on Insta. All the links are below. If you liked this video, like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.